come my way. Oh yeah.
What's up? I do. How was the science test? You couldn't read it. So how are you working on yourself?
Maybe I'm fine.
Hey! Oh, don't do that. If you need any help, you know you can come to me.
Okay, sure.
There's one thing I want to tell you. Oh, it's fine. There's one thing I want to tell you. In this school, it's not anybody that you have to associate yourself with. This school is a deadly school. If you start mingling with some people, you end up being depressed for the whole time you are here. Do you get it? I've seen you talking to a couple of people and I'm not happy with it. Okay.
Who?
Some people in the school, I don't want to mention names. I just want you to know that just check the people you are talking to. Better still, don't even talk to anybody. Okay? Don't be friends with anybody. Just be on your own. If you need any help with the academics part, you can just contact me. And then I'll help you. Because these people, they are backbiters. They will come, they will smile later. They will just do something and then you'll be so hurt. And your perspective about everything in the school will change. Okay? I really like you. I like your personality. So if you change, I'm going to be really hurt. Okay.
Okay. By the way, I hear.
Why do you have all these gangster?
But you are the person. Do you know something? Today I'll come for shit.
Righty, no.
I'll come for shit. I've
heard
you. We are friends now.
Why are you holding my hand like that?
We are friends.
We are friends, but the most important part is the science. When you come for shit and every other thing, then you come and I'll teach you. Don't be going to any other person for that. Okay.
I'll come to you, please.
Okay. So what are you doing before I came?
I was washing.
Yeah, learn. Be learning. It's easy. You don't learn, that's why.
It's not easy.
That's the reason I called.
Okay, so I'll come for the shito.
Okay, I don't want to see you with any other person.
Don't worry. So I'll come for the shito.
Okay, I've heard you.
And do you have bread?
I have everything.
Gary.
Oh yes. How can I be in this school without Gary? How will I
Fred.
I'll see you.
By the way, thanks, okay.
Oh yeah, welcome.
Okay, I'll come.
Okay, bye. Oh yes.
Bye.
This school, if you don't take care, you will mingle yourself with some people and you'll regret it.
Yeah, me punk what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh, hey,
Ama, enya dia mo bi ngira nchen kan chem se me yelipa boni ni ama. Ade na wo ye no me tu fo peso beti ama. Wo ti aseme bo a. Se fie so ban na ode abesku mu ama. So why say ya ama? E she me before tafu na me ka cho no. Who be some say why dey? What you wan ya? Who be some me say dey why? Me catch me dey me catch unim dey wo ye. Unim dey wo ye. So why say ya? So why say ya ama? Me wo ko tse fiata sama me catch no. O so ye school mu a wontina ha, e kire na nam ha, na nkwa alai. Wo fie ennamfusam. Maka chose ennamfusam bebre anye. Ennamfusam ti obi koda police station 10 years. Besine ade kokromu nim. Hweye. Ade koyi de be pade asem.
Me pia ya me kokosha akra no.
O kokosha akra no. But if fitine ekomen ko obi wati. Me am fresh wa ka chen say ono an sha akra no. Fitine ekomen ko obi so o pese o ko so dia jai school ni na ko.
Brass wa no ya won sha akra ni won.
Ode.
O nhwe ni ye.
Na no ha be hwe ni ye. Wo na be hwe ni ye me bo ni so. Fitine ekoma me hu so wasifie obi o. So kokosha akra no tele school mu a. Me am fresh na ka chen say ya man tini so na week ni so me am discover bebre no. Osese makwa wo tiri school na de bia onenam se wo pese wo school na me page mama wonsua so ameye se ne provision store ketwa bi kwa na bia ma ne akwa na makotenem ta kosese no
relax here.
Don't push my temper. First girl, want to push my temper, right? You think I'm a kid? Sometimes I know and you may be of a truth, you may be not say, a man you may be and you may be. Cow here. A cow come here.
Hey, Mickey J. Hey.
Well, there's some.
Oh, me feature me meaning the class won you about me feature Martin and oh, what to our idea and some phone you about betcha. You should come and introduce her to the boys.
Fear. What about Jimmy and Fear? Oh, David. Ah, we'll be able to ask them. Oba Obin wedding come on. Oba Obin wedding come on, Fear call.
You say, as a boy, you or so do sibling be, but you are not. Why introduce Snatcher? See, be any Ashana Swam.
Why no boy? No.
What you say?
Look, come on, Jimmy Fear. Because of your cromana. Fear. Hey, let's see when you so. Fear, no, you know. No do cancer. Eh, what does it mean? You do cancer? Me no do cancer.
Alright, you be any alive. Who have your life?
Conconsase sa ni abomudua ne mawuo. Conconsase sa ni abomudua ne mawuo afiri ase. Ebi amanfo nsam keka sa dey, wo beti akwaka mebo a. So wo beti akwaka. Foolish boy. And you. Let this be your last warning. You hear me? Asi asema kwakwa. The man who so would be o school one. You see the temper of my side. Foolish girl.
Adams, how are you doing? Nowadays you've been slow. What's wrong with you? Anytime when I ask you, you be like, What's the meaning of
Because I have nothing to say. Because I keep on telling you I'm okay, I'm fine.
You're giving me attitude, Adams.
I've not been giving you attitude. I keep on telling you I'm fine. So, what do you want me to do? Or what do you want me to tell you?
Should we go out?
No, I'm not in the mood.
Why?
I don't want to be going out these
At least
days.
you can release stress.
I know how to release stress, but I'm not under any stress, so I don't
Or
have to go
some
out.
night swimming.
I'm just not interested. Like, not that I'm not interested. Like, I just want to reduce those outings and stuff.
But why? We don't really go out.
Yeah,
It's once in a blue moon.
yeah. So I'm just not interested. Understand? Maybe we can just hang around on campus here.
Oh, Adams. Nowadays you've been giving me attitude.
Listen, I've not
You
been
are
giving you
stressing
attitude.
me.
It's just that I've not been feeling well these days. So I think some fever or
So
some
we should
malaria.
go out and have some fun.
If I'm feeling sick, it's not out.
When we go, we are going to get drugs. You go and buy medicine.
You should rather advise me to go to the hospital than going out because I'm sick. I'm not feeling well. And even this sickness cries, not hospital.
So what's wrong with you?
I just need some rest, so I have to always be indoors. I have to always be at the hospital.
Let me tell you something. You don't know. When you go for night swimming, you can really stress.
Nice
It's a
one,
nice vibe. Hey, listen, yeah, I'm good yourself.
I'm not fine.
Why? What's wrong with you?
So I'm going to the sick bay to get some drugs.
Oh, okay, you'll be fine. Okay, when I come to the hostel, I'll come and check up on you.
Okay.
All right, bye bye. What was that? Adams.
What was what?
I know you.
Oh,
I really know
no,
you.
come again. I'm just confused. What
What was that eye? Look at the way
eye?
she was looking at you.
Who, that lady?
Amma.
Yeah, I didn't think you are still talking about the swimming matter. Like, why?
At that moment, you became calm, looking at her.
Looking at who?
Looking at her.
What do I have doing with her that I should be looking at her?
Adams.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me pesa me come any months with me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me pesa me come any months with me ya.
You are the now going to
Cool still.
come across a judge once.
That's just an outcome.
I mean, fast. Aha, Adams. Inti, hey, Baoy and Baboni knew. Inti so Oba baby Sam say, Ama, a crying what to say and crying.
School me be dia kra no nkom.
Na se menka ne kase we wan ne beti.
Ya ba school nti we dia kra na se me dru fia.
Aha ka ba ko. Wona se am hu say woni girls no. As mo hihye one side. Adams.
Yes man.
Woni mo na me bobodi.
School me ya girls.
Ah.
Someone so to da ne girls na bi hihye wan say friends say school there. Ye na ye colleagues nti no.
Hey.
Oh.
Adams.
Yeah, they
O de classmate sana minimum.
Oh, da. Obi am school. Me school mo dey massam crowd.
We dey change say ntina me ba bisa na nya bibia o.
Nti America says a high school mu dey. Na school what school be fa girl school.
Oh, na say ni dey esida nti enyi news.
Who say ejina me bia na ye di nkomo course work class. And as assignment. Apart from no dey na only obi go do nkomo school mo.
No. Me dey am tell hu nti me dey na mpesa me ka kire o say bibi sa o ho no ma o say.
No, me no lie.
What's why?
Me ba me come
Asa wo pre what's one make say ni na o hwe.
No, sisi ano then na person.
Wa usu.
Na
me ma cho lie no.
Me ya dey on inside me no dey okotobra.
Nti uchi afam so.
Dabi me ya dey on inside. O dey oba.
Uchi afam so.
Yeah, me penkwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pesa me come.
Opoku.
Ale. Oh. Na Opoku shamre na Opoku. Ale no de.
Opoku.
Eh. Afula. Waka ho bia me boa. Waka ho bia ne fanfuli me boa.
Oh, we fanfuli mben.
Hwe. Mani bra ne this time around maso ya action no. Afula se waba. Kopa ba bi tina din. Woni school mo am okay. Me nam ha freely. I have a comfortable lead in this school. But when you ba school ma say Kim pressure and stress. So what's aba mboa?
Oh, they be nyese me be pressure bia na wo meta se be comfortable say ndie me free an account ko ani po di konkon so school a say what league table no with that first we be 100 points
And then me yeah comfortable lead at you.
Yeah, we
And they are check that comfortable lead concern there. One of the best.
But I come back there for 2 3.
Obe come back. Oh no. It's a problem be am there. I say obi timi tete be no the bibia si ko achi. No. So we protection there. What I say? Ofula many abre twon na me mesne.
Twon David na oh ma feel ending komo kakra dey na koso say na me ba oh me hu wa che ma feel
Dabi ube fi obi ya santoa na woso ofi no. Ube fi obi ya santoa na woso ofi no.
Masa ye di nkomo papa na wo ko fa nkomo.
So free man ni na
na
ga na ni nyem na woso ofi no nyame.
Oh enye fi na obedi sa nkomo. It's you and me, let's talk.
So what started to talk pampers me boy. What started to talk akra no ho nyama. Small boy, you are coming to be a father. Unu be bia na so you are coming to be a father. E kasa chere mo amuntie. Chon ale pati comment ça va?
Mala. Hey, Aren. Oh, Aren. My own one bang. Opoku, me love you. Don't do me like that. Oh.
Yeah, me penkwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pesa me come any months so me ya. Oh Lord, I pray let
Sister Brita.
Yes, Brother James.
I can't hear you, Sister Brita.
Yes, Brother James.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
You sure you're fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You don't look okay. Is there anything bothering you?
No, I'm fine.
And the thing is, I can't really hear you.
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Wow.
So, Sister Brita, I called you here for a very short message. You know, I'm a student preacher. Yes. And as it stands now, do you know the government has recognized me? Are you aware? You don't know, right? You're the first person I'm even telling this. I'm even saying this to here. The government has seen the impact I am having on the students here. So right now they want to support me. The government want to give me money to build a cathedral.
Oh, wow.
Or is it a cathedral, right? Yeah. So I've dug the foundation, the cathedral, no more to foundation, but just say in Sweden, as time goes on, I'll continue and build it. And you see, as beautiful as you are, Sister Britta, how do you think the Lord will feel to see you worshiping with me? Sister Britta, I want to train you. You know, you sound very good, but I want to train you so that you can assist me in worshiping. You understand? Yeah, I say, oh, voice me very nice. So, oh man, you so I home than Casabede every Sunday before.
Thank you.
So, when you came to the school, is there any challenges you're facing? Are you facing any challenges in the school?
Oh no, I'm not facing any challenges.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
what about the guys? Because you see, as beautiful as you are, I know that they will be approaching you. Are they doing that?
They're not even my type, so.
Those guys are not your type, right? That's good. They don't even have any future. It's not good. Eh? Sister Britta. And when I look at you, do you know what I see? I don't just see a beautiful girl.
Brother J.
When I look at you, I don't just see a beautiful girl. I see a courageous, magnificent, energetic African black woman. Why does he make your bad lie? Am I doing that?
No.
What kind of insult is that? Huh? I was in the middle of a conversation and I say my full stop so that you come in, brother. That's what I was trying to tell you. But there is nothing like lie. No. What brought you here, bro?
Oh, I saw you were sitting here and then I decided to say hello to you. Oh, great brother James. Oh, great brother James. Oh, great brother James. Hey. Oh, great brother James. Hey. Oh, great brother James.
That's how he is one of my what?
Oh, brother man.
Nah, one of my small boys, you know. I'm training him to become a man. You see how he behaves? Look at how he's dressed. Like a boy, like a small boy. You don't have to be dressed in this way, bro. I've been telling you this.
Oh, it's a pimpiness and person come a ban. Please, me, I won't trouble you anymore. I'm leaving. But
what?
You mean that I don't know about what? You have to give me money. You have to show your kindness and those things. You know, oh, man, he's a very, very kind person. He always gives me money. Yes. So me, I'm pretty sure today he will do the same.
Be some 1900 Bishop. 30 enough for 7.
Wow. Hey! Brother James?
You see, you say.
Say.
How much are you taking, bro?
Oh, 50.
What did I say? I said 30.
Oh, 30.
And bring back the 70, bro. I'm here, I'm waiting for you.
Don't worry. Oh, Brother James, God bless you. May God bless you.
You see, that's how the world is supposed to be. We are supposed to help ourselves, you know. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing. No problem. You go. I'm cool. Yeah.
God bless you.
May the Lord be with you.
May God be with you both.
Alright. You know, that's what I do. Yeah. I just give them money. You see, when somebody is in need and you can help, you are supposed to help the person. You understand? Yeah. So that's what I do. Yeah. So once again, Sister Britta, I want you to come and help me to preach to the people.
Mike. Boy, now who is slow, sir?
I know what you mean. I'm here, Kramana.
Alright.
What do you mean? Kebam soon, you sound. What that one shall be about Trimo?
And you have found him by Akasaka.
This is one she had not been put Trimo. Woman, you are Kramana in the Saguanana. Huh?
My J, it's not time for that your aggressive and violent behavior.
So it's time for what? Tell me.
My
It's
J,
time for agreement or what?
do you know what I have seen?
What have you seen?
I've seen your sister.
Me page me what as na me catch. Me nya akura ma wo.
Me
Na me catch no.
Me aware, but you see, I passed this road and said, "Quentin and by." As I was coming, I saw your own sister. When you about better.
Are you sure you look my sister?
Yes, I look your sister.
Where you sure say you mean about no?
Who no? Not any a year.
Mama nim kume. You say we.
Only a unit your guy we will see ya.
Also from guy.
But James, Aroma. On net home, no more bon komo. Now I swear, my J, this conversation, the conversation they were having, the conversation they were having was not on God. We nenye a Shiranka on komo.
Are you sure what you are talking about?
My J, I'm very, very sure. Believe me.
You said I should believe you.
Just believe.
Yo, me, I'm a believer.
Yes.
But sometimes, when someone come to me and talk this thing,
it will shock you.
Too.
Yes.
When you say adiene enye kura, tell me.
My J, my J, if you don't believe me, follow me. Right now. They are still sitting there.
For me, Jimmy.
Oh, my J, Jimmy. They are still sitting there. My J, here. They can't match. Okay. That's one month. My J, your episode they are fine.
Hey, I'm trusting your words.
Trust me.
I'm trusting your words.
Beat me, kill me.
If I go and my sister is not there, I swear, Fanfula.
I'm aware.
Fanfula.
But trust me, my J. When you say school, you need share it mean be this uncle
That's why I want to be clear.
Yes.
If I go and my sister is not there with that guy,
my J, I see that if she's not there, anything, my J, anything,
let's go.
Just believe.
Oh, believe. I'm a believer.
You're a believer.
Yes, I'm a believer.
Just believe.
But if you don't believe yourself, I swear, and I don't go and meet my sister over there. Fanfula, me dunyame. Me dunyame Fanfula.
Let's go.
Okay. I hear no more. This one more. But no more here. They were sitting right here. Fanfula, me, I'm not a kid. I'm not a kid. I've stayed with my sister almost many years ago. My sister is not a ghost. Right now, you are telling my sister is not here. Fanfula,
when I came, they were sitting here.
So where they were? Where they were? Fanfula, where is my sister? Where you can say me akramo and Fanfula? Relax. First of all, me akramo. I said me catch me. You told me my sister is here.
Relax. When I came, they were sitting. Oh, maybe I was taking him to room. Let's go and check who's still. Maybe I was taking him down.
Also, me too in our bar. I'm a swan. And false, how long name by me?
My Jimmy. How can I use you?
So where is my sister? My sister is not a ghost. So where is my sister, Fanfula?
And I didn't. When I
come here. Today is your last respect. I swear.
My dear, you either drink water. Drink.
Maybe I should drink water.
My dear.
You can't me a crema.
James.
Maybe I didn't do
my dear.
We need to be my and then maybe could change. Now my boo.
My dear. My James.
Sorry. My dear.
Nti ka ukokura nka ati dis kwa kramin kwe. Ba improve am. In more relationship ma mo ya de amon kra nipa. E bi on ya na ma feel. Na say so to. Ba sa what dem sa ba sa na ma chele.
Nchile ma.
Oni be ma ule eni kwa so ma be ma na feel sa. At least o ko shem kakra no aba. Oh. Oh my be my feels are they? Choco biabo. Na me obi a yedin komo to obo afu to wani nya oni so.
Na no kan.
Kafra. Tatiana also woda makoma. Ha? Woda makoma sometimes we hear your own man no bita. Na na say ama me ra ho kra.
Opoku.
Last killer.
Opoku.
Na say, we can say. Bibi aboko.
What's the phone updating? Updating. I was 16.
Ika we kra. Na wo ya no aso de ana.
Say me dey radio come dey radio no.
Na wo dey radio wo ba wo so beto se me no obi na te wo. Ani na ya na mo pressure. Wo beto se me no obi te wo me ni nipa na din komo. Afi na akofa ya ba. Me ba ba ya mo.
Yes, I mean to me sports
settings.
Updating.
Sports betting ya che ya yetete ya.
Ya de ma mo de twa bet sa. Fu kura wo de fu ni be twa bet sa. De bia bet.
Why wa say mo ke
ka. Twa bet sa. Me who's what dey you kura da 100 cities kura da.
Ba me boom 2 billion.
So ya. Anti do kan.
Infino. Me ba be ya mo.
Menko.
You know because Simba na mamusi.
Messi.
Me top me kasi Simba.
Messi.
Me kasi Simba me.
Messi.
What see na say ubesi?
Messi. So one.
Papo.
Ese akomo so me mo na da o. Ese akomo so.
Oko fani.
Wo don sa ko kana ahwe na me na ba school ma.
School ma bebe wo nya san bia we na akonya na se.
No be na den.
Wo dina wo didi matem yo.
Ha na didi watem. Wo na didi watem bia na so.
Nti wo ke bia ma.
Ye kafra.
Masala ko.
Hey. Headmaster ba ni bufu kra de mi bufu kra da. Afu.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm going to like
Ada height what?
Na it ni okay. Ade na be twem ko tisi am. Nsem bi. Ebe ya ntwe nti. Ana we okay wa.
And we jan. O ya sama mama je kan na nku. Tini na abukwa nchichi.
Ale obi a odware den tiri nti mo nche wancho.
No dwa onu no tiri.
Tatiana.
Sheshani na.
Tatiana, mumka se.
Ana ni brush mi to bi mbro.
Tie me. Medali e won se men fa odon. Uti a relationship na me no wom. Obi a won private ade a wo ye. Ha?
O ya ade na me mpam kan.
Na edwale me body e fa ho be.
No, em.
Wele wo chede. Minyale. Aha.
Ba no tiri.
Nyesa he. Medical ka chocho wo da makoma so school ma. Ena entie de obi beka.
Papa mo so tiwana mnotia. Ompe, njanu nutiri.
Intimity hu na ade do me.
No look decent.
Ah. Na me jani tontra sem koma na. Ah,
no musem so.
Hey, don't lady, baby, don't do that. Can I get a hug? Baby, don't do that. You understand?
Yeah, me pankwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months meya. Oh Lord.
Opoku. Sorry, Joe, some baron. Hey, you some baron.
So on the minim matisse or banon, but minim
some baron.
Was at some there with me finance.
Good. Say at some non for any juma. And ye mere menum too, me banon. I can only or dear partner on any way.
A dear name anyway. So now, Obana dear, headmaster about the then I'm head.
Hey, mean coming through. Matisse also I can be beyond them be allowed tatano. Be beyond them be a wood in a chi.
Say, Mimi do about rich.
Hey,
I want to be kind.
I want to be kind.
Tell me, cry, if it's your best school, I'm going to be pay.
And the memo pie cross over who in the toss of me and sir.
Oh, yes, now as a man, master who can do. I say, school my then in any school my head and no homes. And
the woman Cassano.
Oh,
when you are downfall.
Me pesa on the father and phone so. What did they make at all?
Master, dear, we dear, that's a we any more.
Me, you must say. If you see, no, I'm saying, pesa on the father for Adam for no so won't you say?
Say, don't put over Cassa, Ubi was school, my dad, and I can't in the school for flow. Because they are in a school.
As a man make and we yan on my boy.
Master, and this is me young. William, yes, sir.
Huh?
William,
that's one shiny at school. One intimate commodity, no. Some men at school, no, may manage school, no, so no manage you. One shiny, one day. Yeah, what's the make at all?
I'm free day now, Miss Sanborn, no crowd, and Mimi, near my said, may you cry, bay, you cry. Look out for problem.
There's some problem. Don't go near my daughter.
So, take Casa dear, on say, Edna,
that's what I mean. Mention any new crime, mention any new. So,
on to shall not have any new. I said, bizarre, so sham not to have
got into that. Meka no waka.
Master, and any man knows Sibling. On saying any old schoolman, I said, me, Miss Anna, and my name. Now, so no, so shall not have any new one. If I will be Biana.
So, your Bema, try baby. Honorable say yes, your Bema, your Bema.
Say what you are doing there, as I watch a tell me, say, Gumachabo may move. Because on no moon, the whom you are, what my many meeting with her name.
Untimi, only whom coin.
There's a crab chest there, get ground. Cut the nobody. In and trade, they use a stick to hit it. Say, oh, yes, you are being biased.
I'm being biased.
Yes.
Mark it on the wall. If you think I'm joking, go near my daughter. Then you will regret the very day I will step on foot on school.
Say, I'm meaning Nipa. Say, meaning Nipa.
We Nipa.
Need to hear master say as a whoop you free school student team. Are they?
Now me banu kwa na ben I tell you student.
I don't banu kwa me ben no me
ba. That's what I mean. Me ba.
And I am an mission at the office.
Unu fa na po. Obesu ade o ma me dem.
So as I said, this thing is not anything difficult. I don't know why you find this thing difficult. You see they've given us G, right? G is this, right? Jesus. So we are substituting G into this. Okay. They are asking whether it is a solution. So for this thing to be a solution, it has to be equal. So this place is supposed to be equal to this place. Do you get it? So when we substitute this into this, we are supposed to get 0. So if you don't get 0, that means it's not a solution. How is this hard? You are just putting it in to make sure you get 0, and it makes it a solution.
So G
they've already given it to you. It's like X or Y. You do some questions, they'll give you X, some they'll give you Y, but this is G. So substitute this into this, then you add it, then you get this. That means that's it. Why wait?
I want to buy something.
Can you buy something?
Yeah, I'll buy something.
Oh, where are you going? I want to come to you. I'm trying to go.
But this one there is no G.
I said that it can be G, A, any alphabet. Why are you giving up? Don't give up. Just substitute it. They've given you B already. B is 3. So just put B here. B here. 3. So 57 over 3 is equal to 23. So you add this. If it's the same as 23, that means
so, meaning I'll add the 4 plus 57
over 3.
over the 3. Oh, okay, so I'll try again.
Do you want a calculator or you?
Ish.